Greetings, welcome back to PinkOddBird. Today I'm here to share this journal with you. That is a design team project for ReleasetheCraftin, so let's go ahead and take a look. Today I'm going to be using ReleasetheCraftin's digital kit, which is the Parish After Dark, and I used it to make this clutch, which is a custom order, and this book is going to be one of 10 that I'm making in a kind of like a dark collection release, I guess. It'll be my last release of the year, and there are going to be some books that are coming out in this collection that are going to be retired. So I will post a story, a highlighted story on my Instagram showing which books are going to be retired, and basically all that it's going to mean is I won't be making them anymore. So like for custom orders, things like that, I won't be making any more replicas of books that are going to be highlighted in this portion of my Instagram. So this kit is huge, and I couldn't fit all of it into this, but that's okay because it works so well with some of the other books that I'm working on. So I think I'm going to probably print some more and pop them into a couple of the other themes that I'm doing. So stay tuned for that release. I also am going to be having more information on prompts coming up for you guys. So I have a plan in place that I want to share with you guys. And so I think this might be something that works for everyone. So stay tuned for that as well. All right, enough jibber jabber, yip yap. Let's take a look at this. So it's a clutch, and the theme, like I said, the kit is called the Parish After Dark. So obviously I wanted to go something kind of like graveyard, dark kind of feel. And so this book, or this clutch, before I turned it into a book cover, you can see here the beads were already kind of starting to get a little ratty in some places. It's in overall good condition, but I thought that I would take a play on that and we would make it something kind of like funeral, graveyard, something. And so I came up with calling this book The Undertaker. And so I wanted it to have like Undertaker vibes, and also like sort of like tones of maybe like even New Orleans with the music. And I wanted you guys to, well, the person who this book is already spoken for, they plan to do writing in here. So not only can I not fill this with a lot because it's a clutch and you have to be really careful when you're making these, otherwise they won't close properly, but the person is going to be writing in this. So I definitely wanted to, you know, leave space for that, but also try and convey the theme. So on the inside cover here, I just have covered it with this gold fabric with the skulls on it. So as you can see, and it's just single signature, and then all of the pages that kind of look like this are going to be from her kit. So to start, I have, the Undertaker, I wanted you to be kind of confused by him, not really sure what his intentions are, his or her intentions are, but not really completely sure what his intentions are. Is he a good guy? Is he a bad guy? Is he creepy? You know, so it's kind of open for interpretation, and like just some of the like little things that I've included in can kind of lead you in the direction of what his story might be as you're writing. So there we go to start. And lots of owls in this kit as well, which I love, owls and spiders. So here's one of the tags from the kit. I just sewed a little bit of that fabric on here. The pages are coffee stained, and I have a little owl book page in here because, like I said, that's something that's recurring in this kit. So here, some more. I just made a little tuck spot out of this tag and some sewing detail up at the top. I cut some pieces out of a book that I have that sounded kind of like creepy. And so this one is World Without End, Amen. And so it's kind of tying in with that parish theme again. So here we have some more, and I just made a little tuck spot with this ticket, and the ring, I'm not sure. Why does he have that ring? Why does the Undertaker have that ring? I don't know. Clock, because we're all on a clock. Some more little words that I clipped out here. There's another tuck spot, and I did do a little bit of punching here on the page. There's a vintage book page as well. Some more space for writing, more writing space, and then here just flips open. You can write in here with gel pen, and I glued on a little piece there, some fabric. Here's the other side. A little bit of stamping, some washi, more clippings, so plenty of space to write. And this kit, like I said, it's huge. I did use a good deal of this kit, but I will show you what's left over in a second here. So here's the center. This is a flip out here, and then this just is a little envelope that came with the kit. Really cute. Some of that music washi. So here we flip open, and then I thought maybe this could be our Undertaker, and that's what the back looks like. So you can write a little blurb about him there. This little piece I just stapled on. This is a post-it note. It's a moon. But I thought that would be kind of fun just to have there. Because, you know, Undertaker, maybe he's out there digging at night. And then I just have another little clipping. These clippings are kind of creepy. They came from, I think most of them came from Queen of the Damned. But the way that they have been clipped out is really kind of like eerie. Some vellum. Why is there a fork and knife and spoon? I'm not sure. Some extra pages in there. The kit does come with journaling cards, so I popped one of those in there. So big flip out here. So love this lined paper as well. Some more clippings. And then I have this little seed packet, but I thought it was kind of cool because maybe in the eyes of the Undertaker, burying people is like planting seeds. So date planted, date harvested, and notes. So this might be something that the Undertaker uses. There's my stamp. One last tag. Here is the back, and then I just have a little purse die cut in here because it's kind of like it's a clutch, so I thought that would be kind of cute. So that is the book, and yeah, this is some coffee stained lace that I put on, and these are it's layered over some fabric. Really pretty. I like the way this one turned out a lot. So I hope the new owner of this has fun journaling in it, and let me show you what's left over. You can see there's a great deal. So I'm going to use these pieces probably in a couple of the other books that I'm working on, but so much to work with here. These are some more of the journaling cards. I like to print, sometimes if you print like with the design on one side and then print the blanks on the back, that's what I like to do because it gives you a good variety of, you know, design and, oops, this is another one of her kits that I'm working on something for. And then, so here, these are really neat and interesting because these are actually like physically designed by her. So she has like tags, and then she does all of this design that you see on here with her distress inks and her oxides. So this foundation for these pieces here, actually something that she designed, and then she has turned them into digital form to include with the kit. So I think that's really fun because you can use other pieces from the kit to layer on top of this, or you can do your own layering and collaging and adding images or whatever you want to add. So as you can see, I did use most of it, but there's still a little left over, and not to worry because it's gonna have a home. But so that is it. And if you guys have any other questions about any of the dark books, or if you've been wanting one, it might be a good time now to send me a message and ask me about it, because I won't be doing any more custom orders this year. I think I have one more already that was slated from before for December. And I will be finishing any other custom orders next year, but most of the ones that I had were all for dark kind of books. So if you have any questions about that, leave a comment or send me a message on Etsy, and I'll let you know what can be feasible or what can't. And then if you just are curious to know which books I'm going to retire for good, then check out my Instagram stories. I'm going to link to this digital kit, The Parish After Dark, in my description box below, so definitely check out Priscilla. I think she's got a lot of things on her shop for sale right now as well. So, all right, I think that is going to wrap it up for me for now. Be sure to stay tuned, because you never know what direction this odd flock of ours is heading into. And until next time, toodaloo.